Hi, I am Parikshit Agnihotri, your guide to find the perfect courses from the vast world of Udemy courses to elevate your skills and knowledge. Join me as in this video we are checking out top courses for web design on Udemy.
Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Now, let's dive into the best web design courses on Udemy that will transform your life. Course 1: Responsive Web Design Essentials, HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap. The best course for learning the basics of HTML5 and CSS3 from scratch, including 5 projects perfect for beginners. Course 2: WordPress for Beginners. Create a website step by step. Create websites and blogs with the zero experience using WordPress and this step by step guide. Course 3: Design Rules, Principles plus Practices for Great UI Design. Learn to design powerful user interfaces for apps, sites, and systems. Course 4: WordPress for Beginners. Master WordPress quickly in 2023. Build a beautiful responsive WordPress site that looks great on all devices. No experience required. With these courses, you will not only enhance your web designing skills, but also open doors to new opportunities and career paths. Links to all these amazing courses mentioned in the video are provided in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so drop us a comment down below with any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.